So now we're going to look at supplementary angles. And two angles that are supplementary, this means their measures add up to 180 degrees. So complementary angles add up to 90, and supplementary add up to 180. So for these examples, we're going to have a 180 degree angle. So remember, just a straight line, this measurement, it's like half a circle, which is 180 degrees. So the whole thing is 180 degrees. We're going to break it into two angles. And we're going to put the measure of one angle in there. So maybe this angle on this side is 125 degrees, and we need to find the angle on the right. So just like complementary angles, we can make an equation where 125, our first angle, plus our second angle x, both add up to 180. We can solve this by subtracting 125, and we get x equals 55. So I know this angle on the right is 55 degrees. We can check this the same as well. 125 plus 55 should give us 180. Yep. Another example. Let's say this is 107 degrees, and we have to find this other angle x. Again, they're supplementary because they're on this straight line together. That's what you want to look for. So the total is 180 degrees. So my first angle x plus my other angle, 107, needs to equal 180. So again, solve by subtraction. We get x equals 180 minus 107 gives us 73 degrees. So this missing angle here is 73 degrees. This time we'll make it look a little different. So we still have a straight line here. So I know that this is going to add up to 180 degrees total. Let's see, they give us one angle that's 48 degrees, the smaller one. And we have to find the missing angle. So I know my two angles, 48 plus x, will add up to 180. We're going to subtract. We get x equals 180 minus 48 is 132 degrees. So this missing angle here was 132. We'll do one more. Again, these don't have to be on a straight line if the question tells you that they are supplementary. So I'm going to draw two angles. There's one. And there's the other. I know they're supplementary because the problem tells me they are. So we're going to say this one is 34 degrees, and we need to find this one. So my two angles, x and 34, should add up to 180. Subtract. and I get x equals 146. So this missing angle is 146 degrees. So for these, remember, supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. And if the problem doesn't say supplementary, you're looking for two angles on a straight line together.